In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your EBT cash benefit card on the Meijer app. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will have the option to use your EBT cash benefit card when you go to the checkout on the Meijer app for items that are eligible for SNAP or EBT. So, all you have to do is add all the items that you are going to buy to your cart prior to using your EBT card. Like I said, make sure that they are eligible to be purchased with an EBT card. You can check on the detail page, and as long as they are, you will be able to place them all in a cart and proceed through the checkout process. In the checkout window, after you go through the process, you will eventually be able to use your payment method. When it comes to selecting a payment method, you will have to select EBT, and as long as the items are eligible to be purchased with SNAP or EBT, you will be able to confirm all the details about your contact information and the EBT cash card number. After you do so, you can place your delivery or checkout, and you will receive your items. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your EBT cash benefit card on the Meijer app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.